YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today got my iPhone 12 Pro Max on deck. We got a case video, guys. Today, got a Spigen case for y'all for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Wanted to check this out, the Thin Fit. Wanted some new cases for my iPhone, guys. It's becoming the summertime, so I wanted something, case looking a little more festive. So I picked up this Thin Fit, and it's kind of like in this light green colorway. Okay, we're gonna call this is what Spigen is calling it, is the Apple Mint. So, okay, got this, and we got it for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, guys. I wanted something really minimal, and Thin Fit sounds really minimal. So, as we see, we got a slim design for perfect grip, form fitted for device, perfect protection. So, all we can do is get it out this typical Spigen packaging that, Spigen normally sends out the white with the orange accents, and get this Thin Fit out. The reason I went with this colorway is because for some reason it's like these case companies that catering to, when Apple came out with these iPhone 12s, they catering to the newer colors, and something typical like a white, they just really is no like support. Like, you're gonna find that blue colorway and things of that nature, but it's, they really didn't make anything specifically white, I noticed from the case makers. But I thought that this would hit really hard, this Apple Mint with my white iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and get it out. I know that's what y'all waiting for. Y'all hate when I talk. It's like, oh, go to 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Don't watch the whole video. But as you can see right here, got it in some packaging. I'm gonna take it out and check it out. Now we got some paperwork, guys. Okay, you can get the 20-watt fast charger for them from Spigen. And here we go. Got some, you see some brand, you get branding straight on the inside. Spigen is a company in California, but the cases are made in South Korea, and you can check them out, www.spigen.com. Now, you take a look at the case, very minimal case right here, guys. This is what I was looking for, this is what I was going for. But as you can see, they bolstered it up around the cameras, and we got some Spigen branding on the back, and we got the power button. And I like how they cut out around the power button, guys. You notice you got these slits that gives you an easier button press. And we got the same thing going on with the volume up and down. No symbols on the volume up and down. I like that. I know I like to have the symbols, so that's a minus for them. But as you can see, we got the cutout for the mute button. All the cutouts that you need on the bottom. So, okay, we got nice bolstered up. We're gonna check it out, guys. We're gonna throw it on the phone. Like I said, it's a very minimal case, very one-piece case. Easy installed on the device. You got a small raised up lip on here, and it would look even more raised up if it wasn't for the fact that I got a screen protector already on here. And you also get a nice big cutout around that lightning port, because sometimes companies don't give you a big enough cutout around the lightning port, and some lightning cables don't work, guys. But as you can see, we definitely raised up around the cameras also. So that's definitely a good look. You want to be raised up around the cameras, guys, because you want to protect these cameras. You don't want to crack one of these cameras. Once they crack, they destroyed. So you want to definitely a raised up lip around them. Spigen did a good job. This is definitely a case that I'm going to be rocking. It's thin, but at the same time, it's protective. I feel comfortable with this phone and my screen protector on my device to protect my device, guys. Yeah, this is a dope little case from Spigen. I'll put the link down in the description. It's your man BG Tech Life. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.